Welcome back. Still the Higher Table podcast. Man, when we get to a story, we get to a story. So there's another clip that I've just received. On that clip, Makhadzi explain there's no beef, there's no fight between her and Monada. They just agreed she's gonna do a song without his verse. But you know what? Like I said, there's a lot of stunts that Makhadzi likes to pull, and you can never confirm it. So check out this clip. You guys can tell me what you think.
I'm Makhadzi, firstly. I'm your celeb. I'm not saying I'm a celebrity. I'm your celebrity. Some people, they think that I owe them an explanation. Yes, I said it was a PR stunt. Yes, it was a PR stunt. But now there's a situation. Mutu akota da uba chipita chalwimbo. Ukota ba chipita chalwimbo already ene mune aku own rimbo. Ne aona anu rimbo lusulanu. I'm going to release my album. Please download my album, guys. It doesn't mean that there is a fight. No, don't rush to conclusion. There is no any fight. We just agreed that the song, it must be done without his verse. That's what we are doing. We agreed that it must be done according to how the things went. It shows that the song must not his verse. Why am I saying this? It's my concept. Because of there is few people who saying without who this song what. No, it doesn't work like that, guys. This is my concept. This is my song. I'm doing this song for my fans. If you're not my fan, don't download this song. But if you're my fan, download it and you're gonna enjoy it. Please, Ghanama, Kaba Ghaname. Kaba Ghaname. Let me just speak. Let me just go to my language. I can even see some venda Makhadzi mini no. Chao thoma ndicha uri nendra ndi muthu ndi afema ndina ningo uba celebrate zwamba ri muthu nendi muthu bathu kha enjoy luimbo.
Yeah, you saw the clip, guys. So tell me. She said there's no beef. Monada agrees that they can have a track without his verse. And now he has his own track with Mukosi. And she got the track with Prince Benza. Is this the 50-50 that they were talking about? You tell me. Amara here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And please, Somatamba Wokure. Aye.